Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in the last session configure the BGP. Okay, so if you see here, the BGP has been created. Also it established the connection. If you see the tunnel status as well as the BGP session status, it has been created successfully. Also it is established the connection in between two to VPC, like in two different project. So it seems the connection has been created successfully, but we have to validate, right? So what I'll do, I have to go, I have to log into the both, like the EC2 instance, I mean the VM instance, and we can try to, ping. We have to ping the both IP from, different VM, whether it is trying to replying or not, or okay, so that we can get confirm yes it is, our connection has been established successfully. Okay, so let me log into one VM first. So you can see I connected to my home VM. So if you see the IP address, the home VM is 172.116.2. Okay, and similarly the IP address for the office VM is the 192.168.1.2. So I'm trying to ping the the IP address of the office, and it's pinging. Okay, we are getting the reply from the office VM also. It means it is unable to connect with each other. So I'm connecting to each other vice versa, like I'm trying to connect from the office VM to like the home VM, as well as the home VM to office VM. And if you see the internet like the google.com or 8888 IP is not pinging, it means it is not publicly exposed. Okay, it is securely connect with each other. So our side-to-side VPN connection has been established successfully, and the deployment has been done successfully. Okay, so we are getting the response, in the correctly. Okay, so it means our connection has been established successfully without any error. Okay, so thank you guys. So our side-to-side VPN HA has been, deployment has been completed. So you can follow my video, and if you have any issue, if you have any problem, you can just ping me. Okay, and you can post your comments so I can get back to you. Okay, so thank you guys. So please share my channel. Thank you.